Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how dispositions work, which are a great feature just for tracking your progress in working a lead, in working an opportunity through your sales pipeline process. It's especially helpful if you work with a team and you're trying to coordinate with one another the follow-up and the maintenance of your sales process with an individual. But even if you're a solo operator and you just want some organization to keep straight for yourself which leads have been contacted and where they, on what point in your process they are, dispositions are very helpful for that. So the way you access it, in the left-hand navigation, all the way down here at the bottom, you're going to see dispositions, and this account currently has none. So I'm going to head and create a new one using this button here. And the very simplest type of disposition, which I am going to call follow up next week. I'm just going to give it a name, and I'm not going to fire any actions. So as you can see, that will create a single disposition here with no actions or any other information associated with it. Now you can create other types of dispositions. For instance, requested a sales call. And now you can fire an action and perhaps move this contact to a new list, which are the sales prospects. These are somebody who has requested to be contacted by a salesperson, and now you can put it on, your sales team's list. You might also have a disposition for someone who has the opposite. Do not contact, somebody who perhaps opts out. So if you had another list here, I like to keep a list of these people, the do not contact list, you can do that. Or even more simply, if you just want to delete the contact straight out of your system, you can use this. But also other features we have, you can add them to a ringless voicemail, you can add them to a campaign and unsubscribe them to a campaign, or even trigger a zap. And you can see those features outlined in subsequent videos. But now we've got a number of different dispositions, so that as you're contacting people using the browser dialer or messaging them in other ways, at the conclusion of your phone calls, you can then sort them into these dispositions so that your next step in your sales process becomes clear.